Welcome to this tutorial on customizing the background color of the WordPress block editor. In this session, you will learn how to modify the visual appearance of your website by changing the background color of a block in a few simple steps. Begin by navigating to the WordPress website using your preferred internet browser. When you arrive at the home page, look toward the upper right corner of the screen where you will find the login option. By clicking on the login area, you will be directed to the page where you can sign into your account. Once you are on the login page, you have the option to use a convenient login method. Look for the option that allows you to continue with Google and click on it. When you do this, you will be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Choose the account you wish to use to sign in and proceed with the selection. This method streamlines the process and helps you get started quickly. After successfully logging in, you will be greeted by your WordPress dashboard. On this dashboard, you will notice a section labeled Quick Links that provides easy access to several important tools. Within this section, locate and click on the option labeled Edit Site. This action will take you directly to the site editor interface, where a variety of customization options are at your fingertips. Once you are in the site editor, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. There you will see a Settings menu. Clicking on this menu prepares you to explore a range of configuration and design options available to alter the appearance of your website. From the options available in the Settings menu, you will need to click on the Block tab next. The Block tab serves as your control panel for managing the individual elements, or blocks, that comprise your WordPress pages. This section empowers you to make detailed adjustments to the visual and functional aspects of your site content. After engaging with the Block tab, your next destination is the Color section. This part of the editor houses all the color customization tools you will need to adjust the appearance of your blocks. When you see the options available in the Color section, click on the area that allows you to work specifically with colors. Within the Color section, a designated background option becomes available. Clicking on the background area gives you the access to modify the color of the block background. The interface will present you with a color selection tool displaying a range of hues from which you can choose. Take a moment to explore the presented options and think about which color best suits the overall design and branding of your site. Finally, select your desired background color by clicking on it in the color palette. As soon as you make your selection, you should see the changes applied in real time, allowing you to evaluate your choice immediately. With this simple action, you have achieved the objective of customizing the background color of your WordPress block editor. By following these clear steps, you have learned how to navigate the WordPress interface, safely log into your account, access the site editor, find the relevant settings, and finally tailor your website's background color. Enjoy your new ability to customize your website's appearance, and thank you for following along with this tutorial.